Which word means most nearly the opposite of mundane? A. Tedious. B. Earthly. C. Supernatural. D. Uninteresting. Or E. Exquisite. Mundane has two meanings. One is ordinary or unimaginative, and the other is relating to the earthly world instead of a heavenly one. As tedious and uninteresting match the first definition, and we're looking for which word means most nearly the opposite, they can be marked off. Earthly matches the second definition, and can be marked off as well. We're left with supernatural and exquisite. Although it's possible for something that's not mundane to be exquisite, that's not always the case, and it doesn't make a perfect opposite. Supernatural, on the other hand, is almost exactly the opposite of mundane's second meaning, as something supernatural is otherworldly. Based on this, we can mark C, supernatural, as our final answer.